Hey guys, welcome to another level 1 MCAT prep viewer question. You can send questions to me in my Facebook page or on just the comment section below here. Also, don't forget to subscribe to just keep up with the latest content and when the live tutorials are. Alright, so this question here, I always forget to mention as well, pause this video, have a read through the question, try the question by yourself, and then see what you guys actually get in terms of with my answer. So, this question here, what we have is a rectangle and a semicircle. Now what we've been asked to do is find out the area of the whole courtyard as a single fraction in terms of R and A. Now, I'm not sure where this A is going to come from, but I'll tell you what I mean by I think the person, whoever sent me this question, I think that A shouldn't be there, but maybe I'm wrong, but let's check it out anyway. So what we have is we've got a rectangle first, and then we've actually got a semicircle that's going like this. Now for the rectangle, we know what the base is. That's actually 10 meters. As for the semicircle, we actually don't know anything about any measurements at all. And the only thing that we do know is that the radius is from the center of the circle to the edge, which means you can also write radius from the center here to the edge is going to be radius as well. Now, because this diagram actually matches up with the height of the rectangle is going to have 2r as its height. All right, so once we do that, we can actually work out what area of the two shapes are. Now, the area of the rectangle is going to be base times height, plus area of the semicircle is, well, we've got half times pi r squared. So this, we can kind of say this is total area. So I guess we can actually say total area is equal to b times h for the rectangle, and then half of pi r squared for the area of the circle. So now the base for the rectangle is equal to 10, and the height is equal to 2r. Plus, we've got half pi r squared. We can't really do anything with it, so we're just going to leave it as it is. So as for the rectangle, 2 times 10 is 20r. Plus a half pi r squared. Now, if you remember, the question is actually asking us to give the answer as a single fraction. And because it's a single fraction, I need to actually combine this together. And so what I'm going to do to the 20r is I need to have a denominator of 2. So now to do that, what I need to do is remember that 20r does have a denominator right now, and that denominator is 1, but we just don't write it. But if we want to convert that 1 into 2, we've got to multiply the denominator by 2, but we also got to multiply the numerator by 2. So when we do this, we end up with 40r over 2 plus a half pi r squared. Now also, if you remember, the question actually says leave pi in your answer. So that means we can actually combine this now as a single fraction, which is going to be 40r plus pi r squared, and the whole thing is divided by 2. The other dimension, explain the area of a single fraction in terms of, yeah. So I am guessing this is probably what they were thinking about in terms of r, but I reckon the question should have actually said something like express a in terms of r, and that's just my thinking, guys. Cool, that's basically it for this short little question. As always, don't forget to like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. And also there should be some playlists popping up here for you guys to check out all these other revision material there. That's it. Thank you for watching.